Bangus, called milkfish in English, is popularly known in the Philippines as the national fish, although the National Commission for Culture and the Arts has stated that this is not the case as it has no basis in Philippine law. Bangus is also called bandeng or bolu in Indonesia and Malaysia. Its distinct flavor is preferred by many, but because it has lots of bones, eating this fish is painstaking. Bangus is readily available in Donggongon fish market, priced between 12 Malaysian ringgit to 15 Malaysian ringgit per kilogram. You can also request for the removal of the fish backbone at no extra charge, which can be done in minutes by the skilled fishmonger. The flavor of bangus is distinctive and mild, best paired with complementary ingredients. It is usually cooked in soups, fried, grilled, barbecued, stuffed, or stewed in various spices, ginger and vinegar, but the varieties of bangus-based dishes are numerous.